Hi all, this is the Ugao plant which we brought from Instamart. I purchased the jade plant. Let's see how Ugao brand wrapped the plant inside this cardboard box. The first instruction is to cut the rubber bands in the both sides. Now we have to remove the sellotape sticked behind the box. Now we have to open the lid. Ta-da! Finally, the jade plant hidden inside this cardboard box got revealed. The plant looks so healthy. It has come with some plastic sheets wrapped around so that the soil will not fall out. Now we can remove the plastic sheet and see how stable the plant is. This is a very small pot, so we have to definitely transfer the entire plant along with soil to another pot, bigger one, so that we can grow it better.